ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के। तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की, जहाँ भोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के। तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
May the tricolor always fly high. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिसमें तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। Now I would like to request our SP, our dynamic Mr. Satyasai Kaur sir to please come to the stage and present a speech in this regard. Please sir.
This republic is not just a date, it is the result of century of resistance. This republic is not just a date, it is the result of century of resistance. It is not just color on a flag, but the dignity written in sacrifice. When justice is questioned, the constitution becomes our voice. When justice is questioned, the constitution becomes our voice. When human rights are denied, revolution becomes our voice. Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear students, good morning to all and wish you a happy Republic Day to all of you. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 26th January, Republic Day of India. However, the Republic Day is not merely about the parade or ceremony. It is the day that reminds us the power in this nation belongs to the people, and it is guided by the Constitution of India, right? On 26 January 1950, India declared national and movement of workers and farmers and the vision of our great social reformers. Republic does not mean the just change of a ruler. It means the transformation of a system, and it doesn't mean the freedom only from the foreign ruler and all, but the freedom from injustice, inequality and oppression. The chief architecture of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, says that political democracy cannot survive alone without social and economic democracy. It means that social democracy and economic democracy must be the base of democratic system. So today we must ask ourselves, do all citizens truly enjoy equal opportunity? Have the barrier of caste, class, gender, religion and poverty completely disappeared? If the answer is no, that means our republic is in work in progress. As I am talking about the revolution from the beginning, what kind of revolution I am talking about? The revolution that doesn't always speak violence or slogan. The true revolution means questioning injustice, standing against the exploitation, and transforming the Constitution of India from a book into a way of life, right? So, when you salute the tricolor today, we must remember that saffron teaches courage, white reminds us peace and justice, and green inspires us hope and equality. A true republic means a true republic is one where even the weaker citizen have the right to raise their voice without fear, right? So my dear students, the greatest revolution of our time in current era is education, awareness and constitutional values. Not the weapon, but the idea, not the hatred, but the humanity. Not the weapon, but the idea, not the hatred, but the humanity. Through this we will save our nation. So let's take a place on this Republic Day to spread the Constitution, not the hatred, to raise the question, not the silence, to spread the Constitution, not the hatred, to raise the question, not the silence, not become just a good citizen, but the conscious and responsible citizen. Because it reminds us, Republic is not inheritance, it is our responsibility. So thank you so much. Indian Constitution long live. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now let us hear from our students. So for this, I would like to request Jema Sahu from class 11 to deliver his speech.
Good morning to everyone, esteemed principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. It is a great privilege to present a Republic Day speech on the occasion of India's 77th Republic Day. This day marks the moment in history when our Constitution came into force in 1950, affirming India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. The significance of Republic Day goes beyond a mere holiday. It embodies the vision of our founding leaders. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the chief architect of our country.
थैंक यू जमा वर्तमान मो मंच पर स्वागत करी सप्तम श्रेणी छात्री तमन्ना साहू को से आसी साधारणतंत्र दिवस विषय निजर चिंताधारा उपस्थापन करी।
हृदय आमर गोटिए गोटिए आमर जीवन हृदय आमर गोटिए गोटिए आमर जीवन भारत माता आमर आउ आमे हार संतान ସମ୍ମାନିତ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ମହୋଦୟ ଏବଂ ପୂଜ୍ୟ ଗୁରୁଜୀ ଗୁରୁମା ବୃନ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ମୋର ସାଥୀ ଭାଇ ଓ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ, ଆଜି ଆମେ ଏଠାରେ ଭାରତର 77ତମ ସାଧାରଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଦିବସ ପାଳନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏକତ୍ରିତ ହୋଇଛେ। ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ 26 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଦିନ ଆମେ ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଦିବସ ପାଳନ କରିଥାଉ। 1950 ମସିହାରେ ଏହି ଦିନ ଭାରତର ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ଲାଗୁ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଭାରତ ଏକ ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଦେଶ ଭାବେ ପରିଚିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଆମ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ଆମକୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା, ନ୍ୟାୟ ଓ ସମାନ ଅଧିକାର ପ୍ରଦାନ କରେ। ଏଥିସହ ଏହା ଆମକୁ ଆମର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ମନେ ପକାଇ ଦିଏ। ଦେଶକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବା, ଆଇନକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ କରିବା ଏବଂ ଭଲ ନାଗରିକ ହେବା। ଆଜିର ଭାରତ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ, ପ୍ରଯୁକ୍ତି ବିଦ୍ୟା ଏବଂ ମହାକାଶ ଗବେଷଣା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ଆଗୁଆ ରହିଛି। ଏକତା ହିଁ ଆମର ବଳ। ଏହି ମନ୍ତ୍ରକୁ ଆଧାର କରି ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବା ଉଚିତ। ସମୃଦ୍ଧ ଭାରତ, ଆତ୍ମନିର୍ଭର ଭାରତ ଅଭିଯାନ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେଶ ଆଜି ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ସର୍ବଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ଆଡକୁ ଅଗ୍ରସର ହେଉଛି। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଶିକ୍ଷା, ବୈଷୟିକ ଜ୍ଞାନ, ଡିଜିଟାଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଏବଂ ଶିକ୍ଷାନୀତି ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯୁବପିଢି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସଶକ୍ତ କରାଯାଉଛି। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୌରବ, ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କଳା, ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଓ ବିକାଶ ଆଜି ବିଶ୍ୱ ଦରବାରରେ ଏକ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ପରିଚୟ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଛି। ଆଜିର ଏହି ପବିତ୍ର ଦିନରେ ଆମେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ, ଡକ୍ଟର B.R. ଅମ୍ବେଦକର, ଭଗତ ସିଂ ଓ ଅନେକ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ମରଣ କରୁଛେ, ଯାହାଙ୍କ ତ୍ୟାଗ ଓ ବଳିଦାନ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆଜି ଭାରତରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାବରେ ବଞ୍ଚି ପାରୁଛେ। ଆମେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନେ ହେଉଛେ ଦେଶର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ। ଆମେ ଯଦି ଶିକ୍ଷା, ଶିଷ୍ଟାଚାର ଓ ସତ୍ୟନିଷ୍ଠାକୁ ଆପଣେଇବା ତେବେ ଆମ ଦେଶ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବ। ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିର ଏହି ଦିନରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଶପଥ ନେଇ ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ କାମ କରିବା ଏବଂ ସମ୍ବିଧାନକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ କରିବା ଏବଂ ଭାରତକୁ ଗର୍ବିତ କରିବା। ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ, ଜୟ ଭାରତ।
धन्यवाद तमन्ना। आपने 7वीं कक्षा की और छात्री स्मृति संपूर्ण पात्र को स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा। वो गणतंत्र दिवस के ऊपर अपना विचार
ना पूछे जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछे जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी तो ये पहचान है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, अब आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम यहाँ अपने देश के लिए एक बहुत ही खास दिन गणतंत्र दिवस मानने के लिए आए हैं। आज के दिन 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत एक गणतंत्र बना। इसका मतलब यह है कि हमारे देश को अपने नियमों और अधिकारों का एक सेट मिला, जिससे भारतीय संविधान कहा जाता है। यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है क्योंकि यह हमें याद दिलाता है कि हमारा भारत एक संविधान है। गणतंत्र दिवस सभी भारतीयों के लिए एक गौरव का दिन है। हम उन बहादुरों को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने हमारे देश को आजाद करने के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी और हमारे देश को एक गणतंत्र दिवस का मतलब सिर्फ परेड दिखाना नहीं है, बल्कि यह तो अच्छे नागरिक बनने के बारे में भी सोचने का दिन है। तो आइए इस गणतंत्र दिवस को खुशी के साथ मनाएं। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद स्मृति। And finally, it is my privilege to invite our principal ma'am onto the stage to deliver. Please, ma'am.
Respected teachers and dear children, good morning to all of you. I wish all of you a very happy 77th Republic Day. Already much has been said. Okay, 3 of your friends have already delivered speech, and what else can I add? Because you are eagerly waiting for the other programs. Okay, but still, as we are a part of a republic nation, I always want to focus on the duties which we carry on our shoulders. Okay, celebrating the days are not at all enough, but embracing the spirit of the celebrations, those observations is more important. Okay, let us obey all the duties which have been enlisted in our constitution. Let us do hard work. Let us cast our votes. Let us follow the rules. Okay, let us not only think about our progress but also the progress of the society and ultimately the progress of the nation. I hope all of you can always look at the other side of the celebration and embrace the soul of the observation of the celebration we are observing here. Okay, the theme of this year's Republic Day is Swatantrata ka mantra Vande Mataram. Okay, we had already a few days back, we had observed it in our school. Okay, so Vande Mataram, which is the national song of our country, it was written in the 1870s by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and we are celebrating the 150 years of the composition of that song. It was adopted as the national song in the year 1950. Okay, so the parade which will be displayed today in New Delhi, the theme of that, the whole celebration is going to be the 150th year of our national song, Vande Mataram. Okay, so I would like to end here, and I would like to wish our students who are going to represent our school at the block level parade today all the best for display of good spirit, for display of your hard work, and above all, represent OAV in the best possible manner. Okay, best of luck girls, best of luck boys, and to all of you, have a very good day. Thank you so much.
So without further delay, I would like to invite Swansri and her dance group. Please come and perform your dance.
मालूम है आप का बिजनेस करते हैं Are you ready, boys?
Performance by our students. Now, I would like to invite Smile Group. Please come and perform your dance. Please. Thank you so much. Such a wonderful performance by our Smile Group. There are different dimensions of measuring the talent and excellency. If you see the talent here, Smile Group have their different talent. Thank you so much. So now I would like to invite Mr. Ananta Kumar Pradhan sir to give a word of thanks. Please sir.
For your hard work, dedication, supports and cooperations for making this event great, grand, auspicious and successful. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.